Office in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hayes County, Comal County, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fisher to near Smithson Valley, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Braunfels, San Marcos, Wimberley, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Bulverde,
Come on.
Smithson Valley, Fisher, Hunter, Starksville, Sattler, Freiheit, Green, Kansas City, and New Braunfels Regional Airport. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms.